everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Margaret, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, kindly do so by clicking on the subscribe button below and tapping on the notification bell so that you'll be aware of new uploads. So this was delivered to me from Cebu City, and I received 3 different variants of beverages from them. The first one is their famous Butch B. I can't say the term because I might be reprimanded by YouTube. Butch Kombucha Homebrewed. This is the term, guys. I cannot say it, so it's kind of profane. But yeah, this is their brand. It's Butch B Kombucha Homebrewed. This is plain kombucha, and this is their second drink. It's called the Fairy Tears, and don't worry, no fairy was harmed in making this drink. I'll be explaining what this drink is made of in a bit, but this is here. 0% fairies emotionally harmed. Alright, so this is made of butterfly pea flower lemonade. It's very unique, by the way. I have never tasted this kind of lemonade, and it comes along with edible glitters, if you can see that. Ooh, ain't that pretty? Right, so you also need to refrigerate this, of course. And they actually gave me 2 kombuchas. This one, yeah, 2 of these, but they told me that I can make my own kombucha, and in order to do that, you need to cover with cloth. You need to cover the bottle with cloth and put it in room temperature, not in the fridge, because if you put it in the fridge, it will stop fermenting. If you want your baby Scooby, I don't know how to pronounce it, Scooby, to multiply, then you do that process. I'll be explaining that later on. And third product that they sent me is the Soulless ginger beer, right? So this is the third product. So it's not really alcoholic, so I'll be explaining about this product as well in a bit. Let's start off with kombucha. What is kombucha? Alright, so I'll be reading, okay? I did not really memorize it. So it's made of water, tea, sugar, and a culture called SCOBY. SCOBY, which means symbiotic colony of bacteria and yeast. So if you're familiar with, let's say, lactobacillus drinks like Lactopuffy, Yakult, they have the same context of those drinks have live bacteria, which is good for your tummy. Right, so kombucha, it's rich in probiotics, antioxidants, glucuronic acid, trace minerals, B vitamins, and many more. It is living enzyme rich drink, and it's excellent for your digestion and your immune system. It also has potential cancer preventatives, so it's really good for your health, guys. So this is their Butch Kombucha Homebrewed. So their kombucha is unfiltered and unflavored. You may see that they are floating on the drink, so don't worry about that. That's because the kombucha is not filtered. So if you can see that there are baby Scoobies floating on your kombucha, you can actually make that into something else. First, you can brew your own kombucha at home. You can also have it as an ingredient for a facial mask. You can also have it as a fertilizer. Since they gave me 2 bottles of kombucha, one of them was made into this. If you can see, I covered it with cloth. You need to cover it with cloth, and you need to set it aside in room temperature for weeks so that it will form a larger Scooby. So this costs 130 pesos. Their 350 ml Fairy Tears costs 100 pesos. This is a blue turnip tea lemonade with a hint of fairy magic. It is made by creating tea out of butterfly pea flower, which is blue, and adding in lemon, which transforms the color from sapphire to a vibrant purple. If you shake it, you can see that vibrant color, shimmering effect, like Yeah, there are really edible glitters here in this drink. The sparkles are edible luster, so you don't need to worry. No fairies were harmed in making this drink. So now let's talk about their ginger beer. Their ginger beer costs 170 pesos, and this is a 500 ml bottle. It's a soft drink made by fermenting water, sugar and ginger, and then turning it bubbly with a tangy and sweet twist. Although the name is similar to ginger ale, it's a bit different. Ginger ale is much sweeter than ginger beer, and ginger beer has a stronger taste and is not as bubbly as ginger ale. So this is not an alcoholic drink. So you can drink ginger beer on its own, but it's definitely more fun to throw it in some cool cocktails or even mocktails. So this Soulless ginger beer from NoHumor Beverages costs 170 pesos for 500 ml. Right? So of course, since this is a product review, I'll be tasting all of them. I have already tasted their Kombucha. I'm not gonna be saying the second term. The taste is very familiar. It's similar to red wine. I've also tasted lacto coffee before, but it is a sweeter and more delicious version of that probiotic drink. So it's delicious, by the way, guys. Fairy Tears Butterfly Pea Flower Lemonade. I have not tasted this, so I'm gonna be opening this first bottle. It looks like a glittery perfume, but it's edible. Cheers, guys. Okay, so I can taste the lemon there. Yeah, so there's no weird taste actually. It just tastes like lemon. Butterfly Pea Flower Lemonade. So it's really lemonade, but it has a beautiful purple glittery color because of the butterfly pea flower. I like this one. And also this, of course, it has a lot of health benefits. The third product, I'm gonna be tasting it, the Soulless ginger beer. Right, cheers, guys. It popped. Oh, it has a strong kick. Yeah, it has a tangy taste. So I drink turmeric plus lemon every day to make sure I boost my immune system because I want to avoid getting COVID. This is another healthy and cool way to avoid getting that virus, guys. Remember, if you boost your immune system, you will have lesser chances of getting COVID-19. So I would recommend you buy their products because from NoHumor Beverages, you get to enjoy the drinks and also boost your immune system at the same time. I like the uniqueness of their drinks, guys. So if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button. If you have any questions about their products, please do leave them in the comments below or directly message them in Facebook, NoHumor Beverages. So once again, as a recap, this is the Butch Bitch Kombucha, and this is 130 pesos. And this is the Fairy Tears Lemonade. It's a butterfly pea flower lemonade, and this is 100 pesos. And this large bottle, this is the Soulless ginger beer, and it costs 170 pesos. So don't forget, NoHumor Beverages, and they're found in Facebook. Thank you so much for watching, lovies, and thank you so much for your support. Don't forget to tap on subscribe to show your support to my channel, and also tap on the notification bell so that you will be aware of new uploads. Thank you so much, and have a great day, lovies. Bye!